Your circuit board cannot be repaired no matter how hard you try. Have you ever encountered this situation? Sometimes we have tested all the components on the circuit board and found no problems. When this happens, we usually are not using appropriate tools when testing electrolytic capacitors. This is a 220 illegal capacitance test computer. We use a watch, so let's test it with a watch first. The reading capacity of this computer is 220, which is illegal. So at this time we thought that this computer might be normal. Then we used a bridge to test the computer again to see what the measured capacity is. The measurement capacity is about 195 minutes. In addition, when we use a bridge to measure the capacitance, we can also check the loss of the capacitor. Generally, we use a 100 Hz dropper to measure electrolytic capacitance. If it is lower than 0.2, it is normal. Now that the value of this capacitor has exceeded 0.2, it means there is a problem. Let's test the new one again. Compare it with a computer. Generally, the number of new cables is at 0. The drop that measures this capacitance is 0.04. Replace it with a new capacitor and test it. The value of this capacitor is also around 0.04. This is a bad capacitor that is illegal. Let's check it with a watch. Let's see what its capacity is. The measurement is over 700 microfarads. Then we use the bridge to test it, looking at its real capacity. It is actually only more than 130. It is illegal. In addition, its base has also become very large. It has reached 15. Therefore, when repairing circuit boards and measuring electrolytic capacitors, it is best to use a bridge test. This is more accurate. The reason why there is a difference when using a thermometer in my store is because the detection frequency of the watch is fixed, and we can set the frequency of the bridge. Generally, we use 100 Hz or 1000 Hz to detect electrolytic capacitors.